Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options of voice label functions in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for our voice labels options? We need to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility menu here, and then Spoken Assistance. And here we have voice label. So, what does it do? We have short explanation here. Write voice recordings to NFC tags to provide you with information when you are nearby. But the tags are purchased separately and can be associated with objects or location you use regularly. So, to use our voice label, we need to first allow for our phone to record our audio. So, yes, allow, and now we are ready to record. Simply press record, say what you need to, and done. And now, as you can see, we have the option to write voice labels. You need to turn on NFC. Yes, turn on NFC. And we don't have any labels, unfortunately, so I cannot show you how it exactly works. But these are the basics. I think it will be as easy as what I showed you here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.